Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, August 12th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Welcome back. Thanks so much for coming in to check on me and to see how I'm doing this week. It has been a crazy, difficult week for me, emotionally, mentally, physically. It's just been challenging. If you guys are watching my family channel, Hide and Seek, you have seen the emotional roller coaster that I have been on with my kids with regards to high school and their dance studio, and the stress of auditioning and the stress of keeping up with all of the things that they had this week. There were just so many. It was a super busy week. And because of that, I was really worried about the weigh-in, especially because yesterday I actually had to be out in the sun all day, and it was like 100 degrees. We were dying. I usually love the heat, but I was melting to death, literally. And I used up all of the Soleil water I brought with me, and I just don't feel like it's enough. Today I am really struggling with feeling really tired, and my heart is just kind of feeling tight, and I just kind of get that feeling like I am low on my electrolytes. Been trying to build them up during the day, but it just kind of takes time for your body to get back on top of those. So I'm feeling really puffy. If I push in on my legs, I'm getting like divots. So I know I'm retaining water, which is really irritating because this is not my normal week to retain water. As we all know, I kind of have this like pattern where I drop and then I kind of drop or hold, and then I gain and then I stay or hold. And that's just kind of how it goes. So next week is supposed to be the gaining week. This week is not supposed to be the gaining week, but anyway, you know, life is what it is. So I'm just going to show you what the scale said this morning. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 195.8, which is a 1.4, I think, or 4.3 gain, something like that. Basically 1 pound gain this week, which I have to say I am really grateful for, because I was expecting at least 5. The way I'm feeling, I was expecting a huge gain. So it's a relief that it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, and that my week didn't like totally derail me. I am so tired. I haven't slept hardly at all this week. Friday night I got only 4 hours of sleep. Last night I only got 6. Most nights I'm getting only about 6, and it's starting to catch up with me, I think. But I dearly, dearly, dearly am loving doing the other YouTube channel, and I'm willing to sacrifice my sleep for that channel. And right now I have to put the work in order to be successful. So that is just the way it's got to be. And of course, I still have to worry about you guys, because I can't let you guys feel like I'm forgetting about you or neglecting you, because I'm not. I'm totally still loving teaching keto, and I want to keep doing it. So balancing all of that on top of our schedule starting back up is really difficult. Next week, I'm planning to start homeschooling with my kids again, and so it's going to even add my stress level a little bit higher. Some of that cortisol is going to be coming into play, I'm afraid. I'm going to try really hard to like meditate and be relaxing, and I pray all day. I pray all day. Pray all day. It's the only way I cope, pray all day. So I think it's going to be lovely. It's going to be a lovely year. I'm going to get a handle on it. It's just going to keep moving forward. We're not going to be doing as many competitions this year, so I'm looking forward to investing that time into you guys and to my other channel, and just really getting out there with my content and being as awesome as I can be, because I'm feeling awesome. I'm feeling awesome, you guys. You just wait till you see the slideshow. I don't care what the scale says. I know the scale basically says I've only lost a pound since July 1st, but dude, wait till you see the photos. You will know the scale is lying, because I can see a huge difference, and I'm so excited about it. When I saw the photos today, I was like, so take photos, guys. Take measurements, so that at times when you feel like you're stuck, you can realize you're not really stuck. For some reason, the scale is just not cooperating with actuality. And that's what's been going on for the last 6 weeks or so. So, other than last week when I had a great whoosh, which was really nice. So, I just want to put that out there, because I know you guys are watching me to see, you know, what might happen to you in the future. And this is just what might happen. You guys might get to a place where it feels like it's taking a long time, or you feels like it's frustrating, and you just have to keep plugging forward even when you feel like crap. You guys, I have felt like crap the last couple of days. Frankly, if I was not on YouTube, there's a very good chance I would have dived off the wagon. I have been wanting to just like be lazy, and I have been lazy with keto, so I haven't been as good with tracking or filming everything this week. I'm trying, you guys, but this has probably been the most intense week I've had in a really long time. Even more so intense than competition weeks were back in the spring. This one, emotionally and physically and mentally, it just like, you know how you have those times. You do. That's just part of life. Life isn't life if it doesn't throw a curveball at you every once in a while, right? We talked about that on Tuesday at the live chat. And the only thing I can do is just keep telling you guys what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is I'm just trying to be patient. And I'm trying to move forward, trying not to worry about the scale, not letting it get to me, and just talking to you guys to make myself feel better. So I feel better already. I can't wait to make this video. I'm excited to share this with you guys. I want you to see my progress photos. I love making these progress photo slideshows. That just really brings home to me how things used to be and how they are now, and how I should be so grateful for it where I am. So I'm actually going to make, I think, 2 videos this time. I'm going to keep this weigh-in and I'm going to add my slideshow at the end, but I think I'm actually going to put up a separate video with just the slideshow at this point, because I really feel like I want more people to see it, and I don't think they always make it to the end of my video, and I don't want to put it at the first because I don't want to lose you guys before we get to the weigh-in. And I also really like talking, so I don't want to always just stick the weigh-in at the beginning and have you guys just be like, oh yeah, she gained again. Boring channel. You know what I mean? Like, we're all going to gain, guys. We're all going to gain. And I appreciate every one of you that's willing to stick it out. I have so many really loyal people out here. And I love you all. Like, you're my, I don't know. You just are my spirit animals. You're my beautiful people that just keep me going and keep me trucking. And I'm really grateful for all of you. You're so, so awesome. So I'm going to take my leave of you now. I got to get this video edited. I still got to get the hide and seek video edited for tomorrow as well. So I've got a lot of work ahead of me. Got to go get on that computer and make myself get working, because I've been avoiding it all day. I've just been kind of like, I don't know, tired and miserable and wanting to nap and not being able to get one. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll talk to you again soon.